Don Hutchison, Dean of Engineering and Advanced Technology here at Macomb Community College, and this is our AutoSTEAM event. And this is an event we've been doing for many, many years now. And we're doing this because we recognize that in industry there just are not enough young people going into STEM fields. And especially in this region in Michigan, we recognize that our employers, they need the skilled talent. And so we're putting on this event so that we can expose students to STEM careers and actually let them put their hands on things so that they can really get an idea of what these fields are and they can be more interested in them so that they can potentially choose these as a career field.
I'm very excited to learn about coding and how it works and how to operate and how that relates to cars and how cars function, how the motors work, how to build a car and how to, put it all together.
This is something that Macomb Community College has been committed to and is committed to and will continue to be committed to over the long run because we know it's best for our community, we know it's best for our industry, and ultimately it's great for our students because they're able to find challenging careers in STEM.